Today we are going to install the Cisco ISR 1161 into the RM-CI-T20 from Rackmount.IT. The ISR 1121, 1126, 1127, and 1128 are also compatible with this rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit and 3 zip ties. Unscrew the 2 screws on the bottom of your appliance that are farthest away from the connectors. While the appliance is upside down, place the rack mount upside down on top of the appliance with the connections facing forward. Reuse the same 2 screws that were removed earlier to fasten the appliance. To secure the power supply to the rack mount, insert 2 zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply between the zip ties and tighten them. Tie the excess length of the power cable down with 1 zip tie. Guide the power connector through the hole to the front of the rack mount and connect it to your appliance. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double-check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your Cisco rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.